Understanding HVAC Delta T is key to keeping your heat pump running smooth, especially when coil frost shows up on your outdoor unit. Okay, so when frost builds up on the outdoor coil, it's messing with how much heat your heat pump can pull from outside air. That frost acts like a barrier, cutting down the coil's ability to absorb heat efficiently. When that happens, the Delta T, which is just the difference between the air temperature going in and out of your indoor unit created, drops, meaning less warm air inside. To keep things working right, you gotta check for frost regularly during colder months and defrost the coil if needed. A simple way is to switch your system to defrost mode or turn off the heat for a bit. Also, making sure your outdoor unit stays clean and clear of debris helps prevent frost buildup. Seasonal maintenance like tightening electrical connections and checking refrigerant levels also keeps Delta T in the good zone. Trust me, staying on top of these little things saves you from a chilly house and higher energy bills. One of the biggest mistakes with HVAC Delta T is ignoring coil frost on the outdoor unit, It seriously lowers heating efficiency, but can be fixed by regular defrost cycles or manual thawing if needed. Another common issue is skipping seasonal maintenance. Dirty coils or low refrigerant reduce heat absorption and mess with Delta T, so cleaning and tune-ups are clutch. Lastly, not monitoring indoor Delta T means you might miss early signs of a problem. Using a simple thermometer or calling a pro helps catch issues before they get worse. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, making finding help way easier. It also helps contractors get steady work by letting them reach people who need their skills right when it matters.